welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. TCP department receives more than 50% applications for conversion of land to settlement zones. Challenge before Parrikar government to accommodate public suggestions. Prudent Media special report. Francisco Sardinia welcomes decision of government on MOI, demands government to allow Konkani or Marathi schools to switch over to English from current academic year. Schools reopen, some said as holidays are over, some excited to reunite with their friends. Sports Authority of Goa's race against time continues. Work on Misophonia Games infrastructure will only begin by July end. SCG's Elvis Gomes still optimistic of convincing Ecolope by July 6th. And Baseball Premier League could make baseball more popular in India. Ramakant Angle's franchise forms a part of 6-team league. 6 foreign players to feature in inaugural baseball league. And now the news in detail. Parrikar government has a huge task while formulating new regional plan. Deciding settlement zones will be the most tricky area. TCP department has received more than 50% applications asking for new settlement zones. During rectification process, TCP has received 3,146 applications in total, out of which 1,495 demand new settlement zones in the Regional Plan 2021. Watch Prudent Media special report.
Regional Plan 2011 was scrapped after a widespread agitation. Now Regional Plan 2021 is also engulfed in controversy. There was a public demand to either rectify the Regional Plan 2021 considering the suggestions by the civic groups and Panchayat or scrap it. Digambar Kamath-led government had kept the plan open for public, civic groups and panchayats. During this process, Town and Country Planning Department had received 3,146 suggestions. Figures indicate that people demand more settlement zones. Total applications 3,146. New demand for settlement in Ecozone 1 546. New demand for settlement in non-Ecozone 1 577. Demand to restore 2001 settlement in Ecozone 1 298. Demand to restore 2001 settlement in non-Ecozone 1 74. Rectifications, houses, temples 949. Objections for road, width of the road 395. Applications for new settlement zones 1,495. People had alleged that the regional plan has been formulated considering the builder lobby's interest. Many NGOs and groups had hit the streets opposing the notified regional plan. Following protests, suggestions were asked from the public. However, figures indicate that people are demanding more settlement zones. Hearing on regional plan at Panchayat level will commence from this month. 3,146 applications will be scrutinized. However, TCP officials are of the opinion that it would not be proper and feasible to allot more settlement zones.
6 महिन्यां भितर नवो प्रादेशीक आराखडो तयार करपाचे उत्तर मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान दिलां. मात सेटलमेंट वाडोवपाच्या मागण्याचेर नवे सरकार कितें निर्णय घेता ते पळोवचे पडटले. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट दिनेश करपे वांगडा लौकिक शिलकार प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर.
South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia has welcomed the decision by the BJP-led government on MOI issue. However, has demanded that the government should also allow Konkani or Marathi schools to switch over to English medium from this academic year. Sardinia has also supported the youth and insisted that jobs should be allotted to people who possess official offer letters.
Francisco Sardinia held a press briefing on Thursday in Panaji. Government has decided that the new schools in the regional language will be permitted only if the nearby government school has strength of less than 40 students. Sardinia has welcomed this decision.
आमी केलो तेंच तांणी परती दवरलां पूण एकूच शॉर्ट केलां की पोरूं कित्याक हांकां ग्रांट दिवपाक जालें ना सरकारान कित्याक डिसिजन वॉज टेकन लेटर By that time, the academic year had started. Somebody went to court and he go ML and ML. So maybe some managements waited to take a decision this year. So all those who didn't take, why should they not get grants? So they should give another moratorium. This year we are allowing you, can't change kurpa to Korea, magid next we will not give you grant. After that, but why should I deprive? Eriskran, so Soglang Madpak Zai.
Congress South Goa Lok Sabha MP claims that Raymond decides to be blamed for Kortalim bipole fiasco and not the Congress party.
Kortani, what happened is a big blot on democracy. No, in this case, accountability is on the man who has withdrawn, nobody else.
He also said that the candidates who have passed the interviews and tests and have the offer letters should be allotted jobs. Government should investigate and punish the consent for fake offer letters.
All those who had passed and offer of appointment was given to them, that should be upheld. Konu sarkar daun, sarkar etlo, sarkar otlo, it continues. Because त्या सरकारान mistake केली म्हणून तो सरकार पडलो. आता why should they suffer? Fake offer letters you study everything. That you do. Fake you. Fake. You, on the other hand, you punish if anybody has done. If it is fake. But then the people who have attended the interviews, have passed, they should not suffer.
A reporter in Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
It's school time again. Schools and higher secondaries in the state reopen after summer vacation on Thursday. Students are excited and are a little sad as vacations are over. Students met their old friends and also made new friends on their first day to school. Let's have a look at the reactions of the students after their first day at school.
As we come to school back, we've known our teachers and our friends back. It's been good. The holidays were good. Now we enjoy school back. Thank you.
तुला हॉलिडे जाऊन येऊन कसे दिसले
बरं दिसले
आणि टीचरिंग बी येऊन नवे फ्रेंड्स कसे दिसले
बरं दिसता
कोण नवे फ्रेंड्स झाला तुझे
हय.
पण आता नाव सांगशील तुझे फ्रेंड्स नवे कोण झाले ते कोण
जिराग तन्वेश आणि क्लाइड
बरं दिसले तुका आता स्कुलान
बरं दिसता आणि आम्ही वयल्या लास्ट हेतुरा आमकां सारकें कूल फिलींग जाता पावस ह्या दिसांनी पडटा थंडी बीन खाता चड
स्कुलान हॉलिडे झाली आता तुका परत स्कुलान येऊन कसे दिसले
बरं दिसले
आणि टीचरिंग येऊन परत नव्या फ्रेंड्सांक येऊन कसे दिसले
अजून माझे फ्रेंड लागून आता जातले
It's good. They started. They have redone the school. They have made. They have repainted the classes. They're a bit better.
We'd want more holidays, but well, come back to school. That's good now to concentrate on 12th standards, so it's not, as sociable as always. But it's nice to come back.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, I got many friends.
What about your earlier friends? How was it after meeting them after a long time?
Yeah, waiting to meet. Yeah. Yeah. We went for tuition. We are in 12th now. Okay.
A reporter from Panji Naudi Pagiyar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.